Hey you guys! So, as requested over and over and over again, I will be sharing with you today how I'm setting up July in my bullet journal. So this time I've gone for a pink lemonade kind of watercolor theme with a lot of guiding lines to bring a bit more structure to such an abstract concept. So without much further ado, I should mention that about a quarter of the way through filming, my good camera died, so the rest of this video, including this intro, was filmed on my phone. So if the quality and the colors are a little different and I can't fix it in post-processing, then that is why. Alright, without much further ado, let's jump into it. So I have a couple of ideas about where I want to go with this month's design. I'm thinking kind of a pink, peachy, kind of pink lemonade gradient thing with watercolors. So I'm using my very messy Sakura Koi 24 color watercolor palette and just a filbert brush, which is just kind of a flat brush with a rounded end. A little bit of washi tape. You could use painter's tape if you have that, but I don't and I can't be bothered to buy one. And water. So now this is my journal page and you can't really tell, but I've got kind of a square or a rectangle marked out here, and my idea is to get the gradients all around it so this looks like a clean cutout. Now because there's only a little border down here, I think I'm going to paint it directly onto the page because it doesn't bother me if this bleeds over because I'm going to paint the same area on the next page as well. So these corners are still a little wet, so we're just gonna leave that. So my camera decided that now was a good time to die. So if the color and the quality are different here, then I do apologize. Oh, hello. Hello. No, you don't. No, you don't. You can sit in my lap and look cute, but that's about it. Alright, so I've just blasted the other side of it as well, and now the paper is completely dry, and you can see no bleed at all, which is very impressive for paper in a notebook. Alright. I've just realised that my Facebook group, the Great Ideas Think Tank, has a cover photo that is this exact combination of watercolours. This was completely not coordinated or planned. That is such a funny coincidence because it's called the Think Tank. Funny how life works out that way. go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. This was incredibly fun to make. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe using that button down below. And let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite spread. I personally like this one because I feel it is the most vibrant of them all, and I really like the effect of, you know, the water flowing off the page and all that kind of stuff. Very watercolory. And again, I am by no means an expert at watercolors. I'm only just learning it. So don't come at me with, you know, comments like, oh, your technique is completely wrong. I know it's completely wrong, okay? Look, I'm still learning, but I hope this has inspired you visually, if not technically. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye.